Hi guys! Today, I'm gonna show you how to add a vine boom or get out on CapCut. First go to the app. And select or clip. And then, you will go on Sound FX after clicking on Audio. But you will see there's no vine boom or get out Sound FX. Or a get out effect. Sorry, I ended up being an idiot on this part. First go to Templates. Type vine boom or any other sound effect you want to use. And select the first one. And save it. And go back to our project. And go to wherever you want to place it. Press Audio again. Then press Extract. Click the vine boom. And you have it, the vine boom. Here is the results. Hope this tutorial helped. Bye.